1 million tomatoes, one factory, 1 hour. Can we survive the red tsunami?
Stick around to see what's inside the crate of destiny.
Join the Red Army. Hit that subscribe button right now.
It all starts here at 5 a.m.
The fleet is moving. The clock is ticking. Our tech is surgical. No fruit left behind. Our tech is surgical. No fruit left behind.
Today, we harvest the pride of the valley.
The counter is live. We're at 50,000.
Look at that flow. Pure liquid gold. Well, red gold.
Truck number 1 is out. Only 99 to go.
We're heading to the intake. This is where it gets crazy.
There it is, the Ruby Red Mega Factory. No bruising, perfection only.
Hold on tight, little guys.
The logistics are insane. It's a literal army of tomatoes.
One bad tomato and you're out.
Microscopic cleaning. If it's not perfect, it's out.
Got to get that signature shine.
Dirty. Clean. The tomato standard is real.
We're going up 3 stories high in seconds.
Check out the sheer volume. 300 tomatoes every second.
Here they come, thousands at a time.
The water transport is the fastest way to move them.
This is the 1%, the best of the million.
The steam loosens the skin without cooking it.
Nothing goes to waste. 100% recycled.
Look at those clean edges. That's precision.
We're almost halfway to the million mark. Follow the sauce to the filling room.
I can't even count. At 600,000 processed.
Consistency has to be perfect, not too thin. 1,200 jars per minute, part of the factory. It's a tomato spa day before the real work begins. Now we're making the chunky salsa. The staging area is full. We are ready to dump. Release the Kraken!
Drop the temp in seconds to lock flavor.
Even labels must be perfect. No crooked stickers.
The secret blend. Only 3 people know it.
No drivers? These robots never sleep.
The last one. Number 1 million.
1 million tomatoes. Looked impossible. We test viscosity, acidity, and deliciousness.
Like rush hour, but nobody hits brakes. Locked, loaded, and ready for the shelf.
Every single jar is tracked. Born today.
Perfection in every drop.
Zero dust. Zero bacteria. Pure tomatoes.
Result of 1,000 tomatoes. Hard work.
800,000! We are in the home stretch! Brix levels are perfect. GO for bottling.
Follow us for behind the scenes.
The Red Cathedral, where the million live.
The next million starts now.
Is the camera on? This is the best.
Stay red, everybody.
Sub-zero storage to keep flavor fresh.
Wait for it.
We did it! Did it! 1 million tomatoes!
40 feet of sauce. Organizing the chaos.
Headed to London. We go global.
Almost at the million. Ready to see inside?
Capped and sealed for freshness. An army of jars waiting for their mission. The rarest jar of sauce on the planet.
Behold, the Red Throne. 1 million tomatoes in one place.
Can we fly through it? Watch this. From the soil to this. This is the tomatoes' legacy. To the best team in the business. The millionth tomato. How does it taste? That is the taste of victory. Unbelievable. And just like that, they're heading to you.
And just like that, they're heading to you.
You've waited 1,000 tomatoes for this. Let's see what's inside.
Stick around to see what's inside the Crate of Destiny.
A lifetime supply, and one of you is getting it.
Comment tomato below and subscribe to enter.
Whatever you're cooking, we've got the million tomato quality.
Another day, another million. We'll see you at the next harvest.
Stay red, everybody. Way.
The next million starts right now.
Wait, is the camera still on? This stuff is actually the best.